Hi everyone, welcome to the 512 Kid Racing Channel. So today I will be showing you how to prepare a tire for an asphalt corn midget. So this is the tire we will be doing today. And you can see it has all sorts of grass and rocks. The reason it has all those grass and rocks is because whenever you're going across the track, the rubber on the tire melts and it moves over on the tire, and it's also acting like glue. So when you go to the scales, it picks up everything on the ground that's possible. So, and whenever you're going to be preparing a tire, you're going to want to have 4 things. And those 4 things are, first, a heat gun with a scraper attachment. Second is a grinder with 80 grit sandpaper. Third is water to cool the tire down before you sand it. And the 4th thing is tire wrap. So I'm going to turn my heat gun on, and what you want is your heat gun to be very hot, so when you're scraping the tire, it scrapes super easy. So I'm going to put my tire on the stand, and you want a stand that you can get your tire on and super tight to like your tires, the piece that holds your tire onto the stand. You're going to want to get it as tight as you can, and you also want it to be able to spin. And you're always going to want to wear safety glasses, because whenever you're scraping the tire or grinding it, little pieces can fly up and hit you. So I always wear safety glasses. So I'm going to take my scraper, and I'm going to start at the very edge of the tire right here and put as much pressure as I can and scrape across just like that. And you want a nice clean scrape. So, and you always want your scrapes to overlap. So whenever you go to scrape the tire, you're also going to want to get this edge of melted rubber off right here. So you just go around the tire just like that. And also, rubber like this is some rubber we have cut off the tire. It will gunk up on your little scraper blade, and whenever it gets super gunked up, you can either shake it super well like that, or you can get a screwdriver and get it off. So I'm going to continue getting this edge off. Now that I got the edge off, I'm going to scrape the tire now. And also, people say that you're cutting the tire, but you're not. You're just scraping all that melted rubber off. And the reason we do that is because if you go out on the track with a tire that has all that melted rubber still on it, you're going to have no grip. So you're going to scrape it to get to that nice clean layer of rubber, because you want the tire to look almost new. And the reason we also wrap it is to keep the oils that make the tire sticky in it. So if we leave all this gunk on, the oils can't come out and make the tire sticky. So I'm going to scrape this tire real quick. also, if your scrape doesn't come out very clean, don't be shy to just scrape it a couple more times, because you're really wanting a nice clean scrape. So now that all of our scraping is done, now we're gonna go to sanding the tire. So I'm gonna spin it, and I'm gonna put some water to cool the tire down on it. So then I'm gonna take our grinder with 80 grit sandpaper. Now I'm gonna do one pass this way and one pass this way. So now that the tire is scraped, I'm going to show you what it should look like, scraped and grinded. It should look just like that. So now we're on to our final step, which is wrapping the tire, which once again is for keeping the oils in it. So whenever you go to wrap your tire, you're going to want to get every single part of the tire wrapped, and you're going to want to get it as tight as you can. So that's how you prepare a tire for your next race.